So hello everyone and welcome back, and I am back with another interesting topic and another interesting yapping. And today we are going to yap about some random stuff, where I'm going to tell you the top 5 worst episode in Skibidi Toilet history. And of course, we are going to start with from the 5th spot. Now, in this spot, I'm going to put the episode 29, where the glitch toilet have appeared and showed his how powerful he is. And this is of course the first Astro toilet and the first time we have got to see ultra speeding, which is a really good measurement for us. But aside from it appearing and just doing nothing but killing some cameramans, it did nothing as useful at all. That's exactly why this episode wasn't as useful as the others. But you can still count it as it's also a episode which just counter-ups in the history. And it can be quite the hustle for you if you want to enjoy Skibidi Toilet more. But I didn't really like this episode as it contains nothing at all. Like, if you consider story based, you see nothing in this. And after this, the glitch toilet just disappeared and appeared again in episode 54, which is a long absence of him. Now, the fourth spot is definitely going to be an intense moment, where it's the episode 44, which we have awaited long time, but it still disappointed us with the features. I mean, it was well animated and good fights were in that scene, and the Titan Demon also got upgraded with his cinema upgrades. But aside from all that, we have got to see nothing in that episode aside from the Titan Titan's TV man going to face the Titan Speaker man, but they did not face them in that video. It was in the episode 45, and just because they didn't, it was so boring that we just hated the cliffhanger. And nobody really liked this episode because of the cliffhanger. Yet it was really entertaining for the fights, but it's still hated from the fans. So that's why I have put this in this list. But the next one is even surprising for you. The first one has the two mentions which we can consider. The first one being for episode 49, which I'm not going to consider because the Titan cameraman was actually teased in this video. And the next one is episode 52, of course. You see, in episode 49, when the TV woman teleports us to the base, we can see that Titan cameraman is going to upgrade, and it's just a sign. But in episode 51, it's actually pretty much boring, with the only interesting happening being the UFO toilet coming back or just appearing for the first time, and the large tank being revealed, which was of course defeated in 2 seconds with the Skull Astro toilet, which is not surprising at all. We all knew that it's not going to work, yet it was directly defeated. And now, for the second spot, we've got another interesting episode, which is none other than the episode 17. Now, in episode 17, there is nothing much going on at all. The only interesting thing we see here is the triplets fighting against Titan cameraman, which is not important to the story at all, which is exactly why it's so high in this list. If it contained a little bit role, I would not put it in this list and put some other episodes. But since it's there, it's going to have to take that spot. I don't really think that it's that worst of an episode. You can still watch it, but it's still boring as hell. Now, for the first spot, it's a pretty good pick. I hope you will understand too, which is going to be the episode 59. The episode 59 was just a dummy to replace from episode 60 because they wanted to get it to be in the tens. The episode 59 was not worth it at all. It was boring as hell. The characters were also lame, and I didn't want the speaker woman to appear so badly. I mean, she could have gotten 100 times better ending or beginning, you can say, even though her entry was cool, but it was not as much as she deserved. But of course, it's what she got, and we cannot really complain about it. So that is going to be what I'm going to tell you for now. I hope you did know how much episodes are boring and how much are fun. So just don't watch and go the boring episode and watch the fun episode for your own time. If you watch the boring episode, you're just going to waste your time, and it's not even important to the story. So you better just ignore it. And trust me, ignore it will be worth it for you for a while. Don't change the decision or ignoring the bad episode. Just check the comments and you will know it's good or not. So that is going to be it for today. I hope I can see you in the next one. Bye.